Welcome to Ahmedabad, acknowledged as the blood donation capital of India. Welcome to India's largest blood center at the Ahmedabad Red Cross, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. There could not be a better way to celebrate the centenary of the Indian Red Cross Society Ahmedabad District Branch, founded in 1923, than having an exquisite monument in the heart of the city which commemorates the spirit of humanitarian service at its very best. 35,000 square feet of quality infrastructure on a spacious land of 1,500 square yards. This is Kiran Chudgar Ahmedabad Red Cross Shatabdi Bhavan at the Sherdil Red Cross Marg. Greetings from Ahmedabad Red Cross. The making of this world-class infrastructure with state-of-the-art facilities was inspired by our vision, mission and passion to champion the causes of voluntary blood donation, quality blood transfusion, thalassemia care, awareness and prevention, and motivation for organ donation. Behold, Jeevan Stambh, the pillar of life, an architectural wonder adorning the entrance of our Bhavan. Inspired by our Red Cross ethos of sharing the gift of life. The Ahmedabad Red Cross Blood Program, launched since 1963, has earned several laurels over the 6 decades, during which it has enjoyed the pride and honor of leading the nation in voluntary blood donation.
Ahmedabad Red Cross receiving the award as the best blood bank center in India from the national headquarters of the India. It is a matter of pride that the Red Cross Shatabdi Bhavan is India's largest and most vibrant blood center.
अहमदाबाद जो है वो रक्तदान की राजधानी है। ये रक्तदान जो होता है और ये रक्तदान से लोगों को जीवन मिलता है, और इसलिए ऐसे शहर में, ऐसे राज्य में इस प्रकार के लोगों का होना, जिन्होंने 100 से ज़्यादा बार रक्त दिया है, और जब आप रक्त देते हैं तो वो रक्त लेने वाला ये नहीं पूछता आप कौन थे, आप क्या थे, आपका रक्त किसको जाता है, लेकिन जिसको भी मिलता है उसको दान, जीवन दान मिलता है।
Namaskar, I am Sherdil, champion torchbearer of blood donation, in company of my best friend Kerdil, who is a volunteer trailblazer for blood transfusion.
Please join us as we take you to a scintillating exploration of our new premises, where 60 years of dedication and pride of Ahmedabad in blood donation has been showcased in a unique and inspiring way. Welcome to Ahmedabad Red Cross Shatabdi Bhavan. If you are healthy and over the age of 18 years, with a minimum weight of 45 kilograms, you too can be a hero, a lifesaver by donating your blood.
You will be greeted at the reception counter and escorted to Blood Donor Welcome Center. Your registration and basic health checkup are completed here. If required, you will be offered medical counseling by a well-trained medical professional of the Red Cross. Please keep in mind that since you are a voluntary blood donor, your blood will be accepted only if you qualify for all the required tests. This vibrant blood collection center, popularly referred to as the Sherdil Pavilion, has a charming ambience of its own.
रक्तदान दी सहभागी है ये
sit back and cherish the moments through a novel, engaging experience of Sher Dil vision.
As a regular blood donor myself, let me assure you that blood donation is safe and easy. It starts with a small pinch on the arm and the blood starts flowing in the collection bag.
In about 3 minutes, you will be asked to relax. You won't feel any pain. But wow, the feeling of pride on your face, it will be just unmatched.
You can be a regular blood donor by donating your whole blood every 3 months. In case of a female donor, the time between 2 donations should be 4 months. You can keep donating your blood until you attain the age of 65. After your blood donation, you will be requested to enjoy a hot or cold drink with snacks and unwind at the Red Cross Refreshment Center. Ahmedabad Red Cross also facilitates blood donation through the process of apheresis. Apheresis is the process through which desired blood components, red cells, platelets or plasma are drawn from the blood donor and the remaining components of the blood are returned to the donor. This procedure takes about 60 to 90 minutes. In case of an apheresis donation, a donor can donate twice a month up to 24 times in a year. And now let us visit the Red Cross facilities for component separation and testing of blood collected from the donors.
We are operational 24/7 at the Ahmedabad Red Cross. To ensure effective utilization of blood, whole blood is separated into 4 transfusible components: red blood cell, platelet, plasma and cryoprecipitate. Donor blood is tested with fully automated advanced technology in our modern laboratory.
Ahmedabad Red Cross Blood Program is proud to enjoy NABH accreditation and AABB certificate in quality. We are the only Red Cross having the superior technique for risk reduction, nucleic acid testing, net facility in the state.
Still interested to know more about blood and its scientific aspects?
Bloodopedia at the Ahmedabad Red Cross is an innovative digital encyclopedia archiving a wealth of information about everything you should know or would want to know about blood, enabling browsing through a smart touchscreen facility.
Let us move over to the spacious Kerdil Plaza.
The Kerdil Transfusion Plaza, equipped with complete facilities of 18 cots, caters to the all-year-round blood transfusion needs of both thalassemia children and the other needy patients suffering from hemophilia, anemia, kidney and cancer ailments.
HIV महारोग का रक्तदान प्रतिकार करे.
For over 4 decades, since 1983, the Ahmedabad Red Cross has been dedicatedly pursuing the mission for thalassemia care, awareness and prevention. My dear father, late Shri Mahesh Bhai Trivedi, who was a passionate champion of this mission ever since its inception, has been a role model who has deeply inspired me to work for his cause.
Today, over 1200 children suffering from thalassemia, adopted by the Ahmedabad Red Cross Society, are offered free blood transfusion and counseling services round the year. Children bloom like flowers after blood transfusion. Their playfulness is apparent.
Please spare a few minutes to watch our informative Thalassemedia.
Thalassemedia is a pioneering initiative of the Ahmedabad Red Cross in the making of an imaginative multimedia presentation on thalassemia education through fascinating animation. The interesting storyline with a befitting social message is a must-watch presentation.
मैं ब्लड डोनर बनूंगा ताकि मैं तुम जैसे मेरे थैलेसीमिया वाले दोस्तों के लिए कुछ कर पाऊं।
आप सबसे हमारा नम्र अनुरोध है कि थैलेसीमिया के बारे में इस जानकारी को अधिक से अधिक लोगों तक पहुंचाएं, जागरूकता फैलाएं और थैलेसीमिया मुक्त भारत के लक्ष्य को हासिल करने में रेड क्रॉस के साथ जुड़े।
Ahmedabad Red Cross has been blessed indeed to have enjoyed a great legacy of leaders and visionaries over the past century who have navigated its historic journey. We have been equally fortunate to receive patronage of our large-hearted donors, well-wishers and volunteers who have supported our vision and mission through the setting up of 14 activity hubs and 9 clubs. The clubs, fondly referred to as Navratnas, we can say proudly are very distinct and unique for any Red Cross or blood center in the world.
I want to applaud the effort of Ahmedabad Red Cross Centurion Blood Donors Club. I think you have done a remarkable job. I know that my 100s on the field have given joy to people. I've given them a reason to celebrate. But what 100 of you have done, donating your blood 100 times each, is mind-boggling, simply remarkable. And I want to take this opportunity to congratulate all of you because you are the real heroes.
A dynamic and dedicated team of office bearers and managing committee, backed by devoted and hard-working team of our staff. It is rightly said that teamwork makes dream work. And for us at the Ahmedabad Red Cross, this is what has been true all along.
In commemoration of its centenary celebration, the Ahmedabad Red Cross has undertaken its dream project of setting up the world-class blood center with state-of-art facilities. The Shatabdi Bhavan has been named in the fond memory of late Sri Kiran Judgar, our former chairman, and we are indeed grateful to his family for their generous support in setting up of this bhavan.
My family is deeply touched that by the gesture of the Ahmedabad Red Cross in affectionately naming its Shatabdi Bhavan in the memory of my late husband Sri Kiran Chudkar, who was very deeply attached to the Red Cross and its activities and all along nurtured the cherished vision of setting up this project.
One of the exquisite attractions at the Red Cross Bhavan is the Zydus Red Cross Experience Center of Immersive Art, the first of its kind and a trendsetter in the country.
At Zydus, we are dedicated to life in all its dimensions. Through Nava, our attempt is to look at life through immersive digital art which envelopes you and takes you in the inner realm of exploration with music, color, and artistic expressions. It's a process of discovery that helps one realize how precious life can be. So donate blood, save lives. Thank you.
The aesthetic rooftop at the Shatabdi Bhavan, the Bakeri Symphony Cultural Arcade, is another scintillating attraction of the Shatabdi Bhavan.
We, as the Bakeri Symphony Group, have been very happy to support the Ahmedabad Red Cross Society in setting up its aesthetic rooftop arcade to facilitate insightful cultural presentations and exhibitions for championing its humanitarian causes.
We are also very grateful to the eminent film producer Shri Anand Pandit of Lotus Developers for his large-hearted gesture in setting up of the Lotus Red Cross Art Studio.
આજે મને ખૂબ આનંદ છે કે જે આ ઉદ્ઘાટન પણ અમે આ સ્ટુડિયોનું સિમ્બોલિક કરવા માંગીએ છીએ તો પોતે જે એક બ્લડ ડોનર રહ્યા છે B negative blood છે એમનો he strongly and passionately believes in blood donation. એવા superstar મારે નામ નથી આપવું, he is there online to give his message for the launch of this Lotus Red Cross Creative Art Studio.
My warm greetings and good wishes on the occasion of this eventful launch of the Lotus Red Cross Creative Art Studio, set up at the Ahmedabad Red Cross Shatabdi Bhavan in memory of late Srimati Urmila Kamalnayan Pandit, mother of our dear family friend Shri Anand Pandit. I am very happy to learn that this studio shall focus on creating social media awareness for the noble humanitarian causes of blood and organ donation being actively pursued by the Ahmedabad Red Cross. I wish to take this opportunity to applaud both Anand Bhai and Rupa Ben for their large-heartedness in this gesture in promotion of the Red Cross vision and mission. Having been a blood donor myself, I believe donating blood is the best gift one can give to another human being. The components of 1 unit of your blood has the power to save up to 4 human lives. I congratulate the Ahmedabad Red Cross and its team of lifesavers for their pioneering role and contributions and wish them the very best in their endeavors. Thank you.
હું રેડ ક્રોસ સોસાયટીને સ્પેશિયલી કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેટ કરવા માગું છું કે આટલું મોટું ભગીરથ કાર્ય એ લોકો કરી રહ્યા છે. મુકેશભાઈ, હું તમને એશ્યોરન્સ આપું કે જ્યારે પણ સમાજ સેવાનું આવું સારું કામ હોય તો હંમેશા અમે ઊભા રહીશું.
Unique audiovisual inspiration aimed at motivation for making life a celebration through sharing the precious gifts of blood and organ donation is Jeevan Utsav, set up in the memory of late Shri Anil Chandra Gokaldas Shah, This sound and light show has been generously supported by the family and well-wishers of the Honorable Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah. And no wonder this is bound to be acknowledged as a motivating trailblazer.
જીવન ઉત્સવ અદ્ભુત પ્રેરણાનો સંચાર કરાવતી દ્રશ્ય શ્રાવ્ય અનુભૂતિ. આવો આજે જ સંકલ્પ કરીએ જીવન ઉત્સવનો. જીવન પર્યંત રક્તદાન, અંત સમય અંગદાન.
Life after life, pledge organ donation. You never ever die when you share your life.
Let's help Red Cross for its noble vision to serve humanity with mission and passion.
यहाँ पर अहमदाबाद में रेड क्रॉस फैसिलिटी जो बनी है, जो शायद विश्व में इस समय सबसे प्रख्यात, बहुत ही सुंदर टेक्निकली सेटअप, साइंस एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी विच मीन्स टेक्निकल प्लस वाइब्रेशंस प्लस इंटेंशन ऑफ प्योरिटी, वो सब कुछ का एक इतना सुंदर कॉम्बिनेशन है कि अंदर आते ही ऐसे लगता है कि एक मंदिर में आए हैं, जहाँ सेवा भाव और जहाँ प्यार और देने की भावना कूट कूट के हर कण कण में भरी हुई है.
Let's get and share and make life a celebration. Share the gift of life. जीवन उत्सव मनाइए. Share the gift of life. जीवन उत्सव मनाइए.